Good morning everybody. Today is April 10. Yeah, alis kami bukas sa aming coming trip going to Indiana. So, ngayon magluluto ako, and then later magpapak ako. Okay, so before that, please subscribe my channel. I have here bread and then butter. This is my bread. Open na siya. Lulutuin ko pa. Kasi, sabi ko magluto na siya, pero hindi nagluto. Kinain lang yung donut. Hinintay talaga ako. Sabi niya magluluto daw siya ng French toast na. Hindi naman nagluto. Walo, umamig na. So, lulutuan natin ng French toast yung aking Yusawa. Hey, ball baby. Play back na. There you go. Pumili siya. Kasi kagabi pa ako nag-crave ng donut. Ang breakfast, magagaya tayo ng talong. Ayan na. Talong ni Carla. Aking pipituhin. Prituhin ko to. Nakaraan na gana ako nito. Tawag doon. Ginawa ko is kinilaw. Naubos ko rin naman yun. Ngayon, magtahong ni Carla tayo. Pero prito. Malinis yan. Diba? Lahat yan na puti, malinis. Sarap. Tapos, samahan ko siya ng okra. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 8 okra na meron ako. Yan na lang. Okay na to. Malinis naman to. Syrup.
Thank you.
Yeah, for you. Then, pakuluan natin yung pakuluan ko yung okra.
Can you reach them? Like, whoa.
I was holding it, not gonna fall.
You want the smaller one for you?
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I haven't had French toast in a while.
Yeah, but it's your choice if you're gonna buy or not. Boy, luto. Gusto ko dito yung fried talaga siya. Gusto ko sa okra. Yan. Diba masarap? Yusawa French to.
I get it?
Yeah.
Give me an early one tomorrow, baby. Early tomorrow.
Yeah, like what time early? 5?
Yeah, be there by 4.
4? Alis na kami bukas 4. Madaling araw punta na kami ng airport. Pakaaga. We're gonna get up 3. What time is our flight, honestly? 6?
6.
Oh my God.
A bite?
No. I don't ever eat bread. Sometimes only. You want the whole thing?
No, I'm eat.
Cool. Ah!
I buy you slippers and you keep your feet out. I'm not buying you no more stuff.
Remember?
Kitchen stuff. Hey there. Why don't you get hooks and put it on there? You gotta turn that light off. I had it on this morning.
Oh, that's why.
I didn't want to bother you.
Your plate. You gonna get it?
Thank you. I gotta wash my hands, they're all sticky.
Okay. So, today update is, nandito na ako ulit sa table ko. I just done eat and then nahugas ako ng plato. So, for today, may mga gagawin pa ako dito sa aking table. And update for today pala for our going travel tomorrow is we're going to April 11, going to fly to Indiana. We stay in Fort Wayne, which is Fort Wayne, maybe that's the airport saan kami lalapag. And then Travelodge, you're gonna stay there from April 11 to 14. So April 14 early in the morning, I think so, we're gonna fly back home here. No, but 15 I have a lot of appointment, and me and my husband have a lot of dental. Also I have my appointment on the 15th for dental. So yun lang man ang update ko sa aming lakad tomorrow. So samahan niyo ako later for aking packing restop again. Another lakad na naman. Gala naman ng mga person. So yung buhok ko bumabalik na siya. So inalagaan ko to. Marami ako nilalagay dito mula nung padiwan ako sa Pinas, dala-dala ko. Ayan. Kahit ganyan lang yan. Inalagaan ko yan lagi. Kasi bumabalik na siya. Bibili kami ng pizza. Nagutom ang mga person. Last pagdala kasi sa rep, pang hapunan ko na yun. So sabi ko, bili tayo ng makain. Ako yung nagyaya. Eh, nagutom na rin siya. Eh, lalabas ko na. Sunny day here in Florida again. Mainit araw-araw, Zay. Sobrang init. Kami dahil sa Jits Pizza.
This is Detroit style pizza.
Daming bago dito, bagong belt. Oh. Ay, mga building. Yung meron lang dito public. Tapos may dinagdag na building, new building. Malayo-layo sa bahay. Dito niya pala ako dadalhin, hindi ko alam.
Maybe we'll do that when we come home.
Pizza, banja manja. Manja manja.
You hear me?
Yeah. Pizza,
Deal with that traffic.
That's why I like prepared coming over here.
Well, it's a lot easier getting here than down in almost to Sarasota. You know how that traffic is over that bridge.
Yeah. Back home na, uwi na kami. Ganda ng view. That was good pizza. It was good? For me, that was good. The last time that we buy pizza, usually they're in Bradenton, but it's so dry. This one, I like the pizza. Not really as big, but I like how crunchy the bread. It's packing time! Para ma-upload na natin to today kasi tomorrow yung alis natin. So, another vlog tayo pagdating doon. So, today is packing day for our third trip. For our trip going to Indiana. So, samahan nyo ako. First, I have here my luggage. So, I need my stuff to put it here. So, bear with me. Ano to? There. Why it looks like yellow?
What, baby?
Look at that. Looks like yellow.
Looks yellow?
Yeah.
No. Maybe.
Not really. No.
Can I unplug this or no?
No, I'm using it.
You have your stool out here?
It's there. You got it. I
gotta
didn't.
get this
Do you
thing.
want me to get it?
Yeah, I gotta get this done. Please.
Here.
Thank you.
I don't have rice.
Apoy, maging paki. Buti na lang last gala to. Next month naman ulit. Medyo matagal pa. Kaya korday paki. Para may pilihan ako, kaya marami ako dala. Alam mo na, babae, kapag isang suot, tapos di ba guys, hubad, iba na naman. Di ba? Kaya marami ako dala. Para pilihan. I have choices. What I wanted to wear, comfy. Lalo't malamig doon. Kailangan natin magsuot ang maayos, guys. Parang kailangan ko ng may leggings. I have only one leggings. Maybe next time we can buy new leggings. Kumot for watching the games. Because I'm cold person. Kumot is always present. Mag-jacket lang ako. And then may pawing damit. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. Save for tomorrow. Kaya background bar. Ilalagay ko pa dito yung mga pampaganda ko, mga kits. So for now dito muna. Pero okay na to. Let's go!
Buffalo. Kulang ko na lang yung mga papaganda ko, mga makeup kits ko, and sa toiletries, yun lang yung mga kulang ko, and okay na to. Kapak na, di ba? Sanay na kami sa packing, lalo na kung 1 week lang yung pupuntahan namin, tas hindi naman kami magstay ng matagal. Saglit na mag-pack, nasanay na ako sa 5 buwan dito na siging layas sa bahay na to. Alam ko na yung dadalhin ko. Mga kailangan ko na common lang na hindi pwede kasi nasanay na ako sa yung mga dinadala mo kung ano-ano Tapos kukunin lang din pagdating sa ningal ako. Kinukuha lang. Kapag waring ito sobrang ml, kukunin yan dun. Pag chinek na nila yung gamit mo. So nasanay na ako sa mga ganong bagay na kinukuhaan ako. Kaya careful na. Nasanay na rin naman. Yun lang. mga makeup kits ko, mga medicine, essence, mga dinadala ko din. And magche-change pa ako ng aking small purse. Kasi kapag nasa bahay ako, iba. Pag nag-aalis ako, iba din. So, ito muna for the meantime. Kukunin ko lang yung ibang bagay ko. Kailangan kong i-change sa aking bag. Yung paki, nalagay ko na lahat. So, ito yung purse ko. Kapag umalis kasi ko nasa bahay lang, ito lang. Kapag alis kami, ito kasi mas malaki. Lalagay niya yung ano niya dito, wallet niya, cellphone niya, wallet niya. Charger, lalagay niya dyan lagi. So, nalikahan ko na siya nag-order nito eh. Isang set pala yan. And then, ito na yung aking luggage. Okay na. Ready to go na tomorrow. Say something because you're always traveling.
Safe travels.
That's it. Okay, so, yan lang muna. That's it for today's video. Bye, be kind. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me to reach 1,000 subscribers. I have left 120 and 1,000 na tayo. Subscribe. Bye!